Hello all, till now we have completed this vehicle ignition key status project in that using some basic block how we can get the output. Okay, so here I used various block, but that same logic should be implemented with only one block, that all this thing comparator and switches and this adder it will replace with only one block. So how can I do? And this is a very important feature of Simulink where we can implement the same logic with different methods. It should allow us to do that. Okay, so as you know, here till now we have this four status: lock, accessories, on, and start. We have to take this status like it is 0, it is 1, and it is 2, it is 3, in that way. So here we have a 0, then our 0 lock should be passed here in a 0. Here you can see if I have given a 1, then our 1 should be coming here. In the last video we have did that. If I have given an input 3, then my start should be on here. Okay, now I'll show you how we can implement this complete logic using only one switch case. So what is that and all this thing? Okay, so here you can see I have implemented this logic using only one single switch case. How, what is this, and what block is this, and all this thing, this questions comes to you. Okay, so this is my multi-port switch. Basically, multi-port switch, how it will work, that pass through the input signal corresponding to the like corrected values, like whatever the first input is there, and it will be passed through that. If my first input, what it is, okay, if I am passing here 0, then what's the value at 0? It will pass as it is as an output. If my input is like 1, then it will pass the value what is at 1. Here you can see my input is 3, so it is passing my value what is it's 4, it's 3. Okay, so there are various ways where we can change this thing. We can make this 0 based or 1 based as well. So 1 based, what will happen, it will, that switching will start from 1. So but for my application, that whatever I want to do, it's comfortable. If I'll be having 4 mode like 1 2 3 4, or I can use 0 1 2 3 4. So in that scenario, if I run this, so this will not sensible. That 3 input is not sensible. It is rerun that from backside. So like 4 to it switched to 3. Okay. So okay. So here that at 3 previously I got the 3, but now at 3 I'm getting at 2. If I want the output 3, now I have to pass here 4. Okay. So this multi-port switch will work instead of that much of logic what we did here, relational operator and switches and all this thing. It will relax our work in implementing of that much of logic. Okay, so here I'll show you, I have shown one property of you. It is, if I make that switch to 1 base, so what is going to happen? I'll make it that 0 base for our simplicity, and where we can learn few of the things. Okay. Okay, and a few more options are here. If our last data port, okay, what is going to be happen? Additional data port if you want. In default, like diagnostic default case, then we are producing an error. Okay, or when we will get the error, I'll show you. If I am running this it now, what output we will get, we will see. My input is 4. Then here I am getting an error. That switch didn't have any fourth of this, any fourth case of this. So from this you can see a diagnostic default. If I am making the error, then error should be displayed. If I am making the warning, then now it will simulate the model, but it will show the whatever the maximum value for this, and it will give us a warning. You can see here that control port 4 is not between 0 to 3. So to suppress these masses, that we have to be do something for that. Okay, so here I'll be making this as an 0, so you can see apply and okay. Here also I will add some data ports for your references. Okay, for this there also, these are the constant which are having the same values. Okay, so here you can see the data what we want to see. Okay, so I have passed now 0. How it will work, you can see with the data. So once that 0 is came in that switch, whatever value at 0, that should be passed here. Okay, if I am writing here the 3, okay, I'm giving an apply and running. So what's the value at switch condition of the 3? It's 3. It's a start mode 3. So that 3 will be displayed here. Okay, if I am giving the input to vehicle key status as in 2. Okay, fine. So here you can see that I am getting the output as an 2 as well. So to implement a one project, we have a various aspect to implement the project. We can design at various ways. So this is all about this project. We will meet in some next session with some new topic.